Hi, my name is Huiling. I'm a third-year student in Temasek Polytechnic. I'll be representing my group to present you the energy consumption analytics in Chongqing, China. Chongqing is the fastest growing city among the world in terms of business, trade and transport, residential, and industry. Firstly, business use their energy consumption mainly in fossil fuel such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Secondly, trade and transport are used in personal and public transport. Thirdly, residential depends on the household electrical appliances they used. Lastly, industry are split into three different categories such as primary, secondary, and tertiary industry. Next, how can we adopt a better efficient energy consumption for Chongqing population is that we will be using this software called the Low Emission Analysis Platform, as known as LEAP, to track on the energy consumption produced over the years. This software allows us to get the future projection data as far as 2050. In this slide, it shows how the LEAP software looks like. And with that, I'll be showing you how to achieve a more efficient energy consumption for the Chongqing people. Using the residential to show you an example on how to achieve a more efficient energy consumption. So under refrigerator, I'll be using the reference as my scenario so that I can compare the values with the future projection in 2050 later on. So under the activity level, I will need to input the Chongqing population as well as the urbanization rate, and under existing we will need to put it as 100% because we assume that during the reference year, which is 2017, that nobody uses any saving devices for the electrical appliances, so therefore it is 0%. And for under final energy intensity tab, we will, after all the calculation is being done, we will need to input the values into the existing column in terms of kilowatt per hour. In order to achieve a more efficient energy consumption through this software, we will need to change the scenario to mitigation, and under existing we will need to change it to remainder 100, and under efficient we will need to input interpretation of 2050. That's the year that we want to project, and we assume that the Chongqing population can achieve a efficient energy consumption up to 95%. Under final energy intensity tab, after the calculation, we will need to input the value into the efficient column. And with that, we can run the result. And this graph shows that we can compare the reference year with the future year, which is 2050. So we can compare these two and see how much we can save up the energy. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you.